any little space. So now,
the mushroom seed.
this is so just pass it around the pillow.
She never reached there.
Somebody will ask me, why should I bother myself in planting mushroom? It has so many benefits. Number one, it helps to boost your immune system. Then for those of us that easily, maybe after you don't go to the toilet, helps to your digestive system.
Yes, there's sawdust to plant mushroom. Sawdust, the rice
and then also it helps in the development of your bone and teeth.
Calcium.
It has some minerals.
So you can get that one from those people that sell apple. Those that sell agro products.
They are all in this
Then
mushroom.
she plants the mushroom seed.
Then it helps in growth and
So she never reached the process.
in oil from the gardenia. You can use it with your cream, especially if you are having your hair is falling off. You can put it, it will help you. Then it is also good for your eye. That is this mushroom, the consumption, eating it. So if you have some of these nutrition benefits from mushroom, then why wouldn't you plant mushroom? If you have a little space that you can use to harvest so many mushrooms, why won't you use that little space? So now, in producing mushroom, the only secret, because I'm cutting a lot of long story, the secret to producing mushroom is getting the formula to mix it together. The formula in mixing these things I've mentioned to you together. If you get it very well, you will not have any problem. For those of us that maybe have no, yes, I think Ojon is going to help us with small calculation, an easy one. For example, first write it down. To make mushroom, the formula to prepare your substrate, that is the thing you will use to plant the mushroom, is called substrate. That is the sand. The sand is called substrate. And the substrate consists of your rice bran, sawdust, and your calcium. Now, to mix these three things together, your sawdust should be 80%. Write it down, 80%. Then your rice bran, 18%. Then your calcium, 2%. The reason why you are mixing these three things is because your sawdust, it has very high carbon inside. This wood, you see, it has carbon high inside. Then the rice bran has nitrogen, so it will balance it up. Then the calcium too is to ensure that all this mixture balances and help your substrate, that's your soil. The substrate now is your soil to grow well. So now, I said in mixing it, your sawdust should be how many percent?
18.
Your rice bran should be how many percent?
18.
And your calcium?
2%.
Okay, now, let's assume, okay, bag of rice, 50 kg. But we want to use a bag now, a bag of rice is 50 kg. So let's assume your sawdust fill that 50 kg sack. So it's 50 kg. So we are using 50 kg sawdust. So now the rice bran is 18% of that 50 kg. So, Madam, 18% of that would be what?
18% of
that is 50 kg, that is our baseline now. 50 kg of sawdust we want to produce on soil. So if you are having, that means that 50 kg, 80% of 50 kg.
That would be 9%.
9%.
And 18% of 50 kg, 2% of 50 kg. So what you do is to say 50, that's 80 over 100 times 50. Can we do that?
Yeah.
So what did we get? I just want you to get that so that you can be using it as your standard.
9.
It's 9.
9.
It's 9.
What's that?
9.
9.
9 kg. For
9 kg.
For rice bran. Rice bran.
No. Yes, please.
What you are saying is that we don't need 50 kg of sawdust. You are using 50 kg empty bag of 50 kg is what you are using. Am I correct?
You are filling it up
Yes.
of bag.
The sawdust will weigh 50 kilograms
50, yes. You carry 50 kilograms
of sawdust.
That's what you want to use.
Okay.
So now, 50 out of that 50 kg, 80% of that 50 kg is what? So it will be 18
Over 100.
18%.
18% of that now will just give you about
18 over 100 times 60.
it's just like it's
18 over
150.
100.
150, just say 150.
No, we won't say that so that they will get the measurement. So what is 29
Okay.
That's 18 over 100 times 50.
If we are doing 50 kg, it means that it has to be less. It will not be 18%.
Exactly.
Rice bread. Because if you tell us that the standard is 80% sawdust,
It's 50
now we
kg.
are now struggling between percentage and kg.
No.
Yes, now
It's
that you
50
feel
kg.
50 kg.
From 50 kg.
Yes.
Now do not calculate 80%.
Hold on.
So 18% of that 50 kg is what your rice bran is. 2% of that 50 kg is what the calcium will be. So that's what you're trying to do.
What I want to get from what you just said, maybe to make it simpler. Take
See, just do 18 over 100 times 50
is 9.
9. So write it somewhere.
9% or 9 kg. 9 kg.
So now do 2 over 100 times 50.
1%.
1%. 1 kg. Beautiful. Put it there. So that means for your 50 kg of bag of sawdust, you are going to add 9 kg of rice bran and 1 kg of mushroom.
Of course.
If you miss this one, if you miss it, your mushroom will not grow well, it will not come out. That is where it is. So you can be using that 50 kg bag as your standard. So if you want to do 100 kg, it's times 2. So the rice bran will be 9 times 2.
So I have a question.
Yes,
50 kg sawdust, not 50 bag of 50. That bag of 50 kg bag of rice.
100%.
no.
50 kg sawdust, not 50.
Man, what you are trying to say is that if we get the sawdust that weighs 50 kilograms, we will just pour it on the ground. We'll pour the ground. Then we will take 18% of rice bran. 18%
I won't be confused.
of that 50 kg.
Like, if you want to do
we
this
take
thing,
80% of the rice bran. Now, what you're going to do is that take 50 kg of rice bran, add the remove 18% and add to that your 80 kg of sawdust.